Good day, I am Tyron Katkatan from Group 10 and I'm about to tackle about the hydraulic modeling capabilities of IPANET. Full-featured and accurate hydraulic modeling is a prerequisite for doing effective water quality modeling. IPANET contains a state-of-the-art hydraulic analysis engine that includes the following capabilities. First one is place no limit on the size of the network that can be analyzed. IPANET's unlimited network size features make it a powerful tool for engineers. It offers flexibility and scalability to meet the diverse hydraulic modeling needs. Next one is computes friction head loss using the Hazen-Williams, Darcy-Weisbach, or Chezy-Manning formula. This formula allow engineers to calculate the energy loss due to friction as water flows through pipes. Each formula is suited to specific conditions and design preferences. It also shows how flexible IPANET is since it supports all three formulas, ensures that it can adapt to the needs of diverse projects and accurately simulate head loss using a wide variety of conditions. Next one is the ability to account for minor head losses caused by bends, fittings, valves, and other components in a water distribution system. While most head loss in a pipe is due to friction along its length, minor head losses arise from disturbance to the flow caused by localized feature. It ensures a detailed and realistic representation of hydraulic behavior, enabling engineers to design more efficient and effective water distribution system. The next one is model constant or variable speed pumps. It simulates both constant and variable speed pumps. Constant speed pumps operates at a fixed speed, providing a consistent flow rate, and are modeled to analyze the efficient under steady operating condition. Variable speed pumps, on the other hand, can adjust their speed to meet varying system demands, allowing for more high energy efficient operation and better flow control. By modeling these pumps, engineers can optimize system performance, predict energy consumption, and design for specific operation scenarios. Additionally, these capabilities enables the analysis of pump behaviors in complex network, ensuring reliability and cost efficient in a hydraulic system design. Lastly, models various types of valves including shut-off, check pressure, regulating, and flow control valves, and allows storage tanks to have any shapes. For example, diameter can vary with the height. It allows the simulation of complex fluid flow scenarios in a pipeline and a water distribution system. These models include the ability to represent different types of valves such as shut-off, check pressure, regulating, and flow control valves, enabling accurate analysis of their effects on system behavior. Additionally, the models can simulate storage tank with any shape, accounting for a variation in a diameter with height to provide realistic volume and pressure calculations. This flexibility ensures precise prediction for systems with non-standard geometries or customized components. Overall, these capabilities are essential for designing, optimizing, and troubleshooting hydraulic systems in various industries. So why hydraulic modeling capabilities of IPANET is important? For us, future engineers like myself, mastering tool like IPANET can help us solve real-world water management challenges efficiently and sustainability. It empowers us to design systems that are both technically robust and economically feasible. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Hope you learned something.